Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I'm gonna show you a glitch I just found out in Roblox Jailbreak. I found this. I was just like walking into a wall as usual, and I found that you could actually like glitch through walls like that. It's so cool. I love it. Oh. Okay, yeah, so you could like glitch through walls. It's pretty cool. Like you could go if you wanted to. You could go over here, and you have to like zoom in and out while you're looking at a wall. Yeah, it's gonna come. Doesn't always happen, but most of the time it does. Usually not on windows though. Here, let's try it on the wall. Oh, it's coming. Oop. Okay. There we go, I got out. And now, let's try to glitch through here. There we go, look at that. Anyway guys, yeah, so that's all you really have to do. Here, I'll show you how to do it now. So what you have to do is, here, let's put this one. If you guys didn't know, I actually got hacked. That's why I'm on my alt account. Oh shoot, I don't want to be killed. No, I don't want to die. Okay, hopefully we just spawn here, yeah. Okay, so, what you want to do, go here. You could probably glitch out here if you wanted to. There we go. It's a fast way of getting around, too. Like, you could glitch through gates, too, so like, that. Like, let's try it over here. It's also another way of escaping, I just found out. Go over here. Oh, let's go. It's not prison life. Don't reset. Let's go. Oh, oh, shoot, no. No. Okay, good. Reset. Let's try to glitch in here after. Nope. See, it's not working through this wall. I tried it on the jewelry store. It does work on the jewelry store. So you can glitch in there if it's closed. Let's just go. Oh, this is another way of this thing. Nope. There we go. And if you get stuck in a wall, just crawl. Then you'll crawl and jump, and you'll eventually get out. And jump into here too if you want to open like the gate. If you're a prisoner and you don't have a key card. Oh shoot! No, I didn't mean to go. Oh no! No. Okay, guys. Whoa! What the? That's gonna be the video for today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.